What is going on, my fellow fishaholic friends? My name is Glenn, and I'm still a fishaholic. Today, I'm doing the video that I promised you in my TikTok videos. I am doing a Red Deer River tour with my buddy Sean in his jet boat. Hopefully, we can catch some Alberta gold, some pike, maybe even some trout. So come with us on this adventure, and I'll see you when I'm set up in the jet boat. See you in a minute. Kapow! Well, there she is, my friends. That is my buddy Rampage Ramage and his setup. It's a friggin' beautiful rig. That thing can skim in 4 inches of water, and we're gonna take it up the river and get on to some nice fish. Stay tuned. And here he comes, the man, the myth, the legend. Okay. All right, buddy, here you go. One, there's your net. Here, buddy. Shit, come on. I think he just head shaked it off, bro. He head shaked it. That was a deadly head shake. Like, he came 2 feet out of the water. Deadly. Fucking deadly. Oh, buddy, something just tried to hit it. Look at the wake right there. Something was just chasing it. That was probably a pike, man. And then they seen the boat. I got one. Yeah. Oh, he came off. It's alright, I didn't want to touch him anyway. I think you do too, buddy. Big one. Yeah, that's a nice cast, buddy. There we go. It's a brownie? I think it's a brownie, buddy. Yeah, I am. Yeah, it's a goldeye. Yeah. Good little scrapper. Yeah. Nice size goldeye. I can't believe they hit these big repellers. Did you? Yeah. Oh, here we go. Impact in 4, 3, 2, 1. Contact. Beautiful. Yeah. Pelican. Oh, there, I just got smacked by a goldeye, man. Yeah. Yeah, I got smacked. Fourth fish. He doesn't want to fight. Oh, there he goes. No. Mr. Goldeye Jangles.
Oh, he's gonna hook me.
Oh, he caught the back one. There he goes. See you, buddy. He's just stunned. Flip over. Hammerhead.
Come on.
There you go. Oh, he just took off like a gunshot, buddy. Sean just seen a big brown trout cross the water over there. There's a log on the other side. He's seen it clear the water. Couple pound brown trout. I'll take it. Oh, that looks so wicked, man. I just can't get it in that far. That's what, see, you can't either. Lies. Guys that brag about it are the ones with the tiny itty bitty dicky, buddy. Hung like a bull mouse. Hung like a... Oh! That's a brownie! Oh no! That's the one too! Fuck! I know, man. That was big, Sean. Oh, buddy, I just got cracked. There it is. Oh, come on.
What did I say?
Get back up there, buddy. Bro, that was big. Yeah, that was big. I was leaning back, man. I'm pretty sure. That was big. That's right where you said that one was jumping. Right by that stick, man. I want you to have the best fishing spot. That's why I'm leaving you alone. I can imagine. I can only imagine the humiliation you must be feeling after losing that 10-pound brown. Oh, little Goldeye came up and smoked it. I watched it happen, man. Got a piece of grass on my leader. There it is. Look at that, buddy. Oh, papa. Oh, I'm on, buddy. That's a brownie. That's a brownie, bro. That's a brownie. All day. No, I'm not, buddy. He's diving right now. That was right by shore. That's gotta be a brown. And he's staying down, bro. Maybe. I don't think so. It's a wally.
Nice walleye, though.
Yeah. I'm trying, buddy. You got him? Okay, I'll bring him up, buddy. There, oh, that's a nice walleye, I bet. Nice!
He's a bruiser.
He took that
He's a
deep.
bruiser, buddy. Yes. I told you.
He
holding that.
Okay. He took that deep, buddy.
Excuse my language. I got him. One more.
I thought that was a brown for sure, man.
Man, that's a bruiser.
Here, you gotta hold the camera, buddy.
Hold this tail forked, okay? Can you fork the tail? We don't have much time.
I can't do it, buddy. Just flip them the other way. Flip them this way. Yep. All right. All right, buddy. I'm trying to get him, buddy. There we go. Fork tail. Go for it.
Your hand. You got your camera?
Yep.
0. It's 24 and a half.
24 and a half.
24 and a half. I'd say it's 25.
Let's go with 25.
Wait. So this does not hurt him.
All right.
So you see that?
Yep.
30 and a quarter. 30 and a quarter by what? 25.
Yep.
You want to hold him for a picture for me?
Here, buddy. Oh,
I'll take a picture with this.
send it to me.
Yeah, I will. Wait. Phone's dead.
Oh, he's got leeches all over him.
Okay. Here, you want to give me your camera or just take
Yep,
this?
take the thing off. It's recording. Just touch the screen, bro.
Touch the screen for what?
That's how you can see what it's recording. All right.
25-incher. Touch it for a photo?
No, it's going. It's recording, bro.
Okay, you can really.
I'll send you a screenshot. Oh, here, put it on my head, man, so I can get the release.
Holy, you got a big head, bro.
I know. See ya, buddy.
Beautiful fish.
Kapow.
Beautiful.
Thanks, bro. Alrighty, friends, that is a wrap. Shout out to Rampage Ramage here for another awesome adventure. We caught goldeye, almost a 10-pound brown, 25-inch walleye, and had lots of fun. So,
And lost a huge breath.
he lost a huge brown. I hope I have video evidence of it. Otherwise, it didn't happen. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. It don't cost nothing. And more than 80% of the guys that watch my videos aren't subscribed. Just click that button. See you guys on the next one. Kapow it.
Kapow.
Kapow.